Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avinash and my Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market and analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, first of all, a very happy new year. Wish you a fantastic year ahead. God bless you and your family. So this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us and hope you will rock with gold in the coming year. So gold was sideways, gold was choppy for the last couple of days. We knew it because of the holiday season. And we can expect the market to remain like this in the next few days as well. After the first week of January, you can expect traders to back again in the game, and after that, you can expect normal volume and volatility. So this week, you can expect the market to remain choppy or sideways. So if you're a swing trader, position trader, then you still need to wait for a couple of days because the trend of the market is still not clear. And if you're a day trader, scalper, then obviously you can look for trades around the good levels. Okay, but again, let me be clear. If you are looking for some logical trades, good trades, this market is still not ideal. Why? Because whenever there is low volume in the market, either the market will show some unexpected, unlogical spikes, or the market will be flat. So the decision is all yours now. Personally, I have no plans to trade right now. I have already declared. After the first week of January, yes, I'll start trading again. And I have one more announcement actually. Because of this particular condition of the market, okay, I'm going to Kerala with my family on a vacation. Okay, these short trips are very essential, okay, for me. So I'm going to Kerala. I'm going to Kochi, Munnar, Thekkady, and Varkala, Trivandrum this side. So if you guys, are from Munnar, Kochi, Trivandrum, okay, if you are okay, then you can email. Okay, if time permits, we can catch up as well. Okay, and few hours left for the market to open now, and we can see market close around 2624 area. So the market opening is going to be not very important because either the market opening will be silent, or you can expect the market to be crazy, but again market to get back to the normal position again, because whenever there is low volume in the market shows some unexpected spike. So if you have any ongoing position in the market, then obviously you can continue with it because right now there is no clear direction. If you're stuck also, for example, if you're stuck in a buy or if you're stuck in a sell, then also you can continue, because in this type of market situation, okay, we can expect an exit. Okay. In case market takes the opposite trend, then obviously you need to exit immediately. Okay, and if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then obviously um, it will be best for us to stick to the levels. Okay, so after the market opening, if we see gold going down, observe the size of the candles for us. We can expect that size of the candles will be small, means low volume. So if market comes down with low volume, okay, scalpers can look for a buy around 2620 and 2613. These are the two levels where scalpers can look for a buy position. Why? Let me show you. Okay, if we just draw FIBO from this particular point here, we can see around 2620 we have FIBO 0.382, plus we have the 200 moving average, and around 2613 we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. It's also known as the golden ratio. Okay, so these are the two levels. Okay, we can expect a buy position as a scalper. Do not expect a trade of 100 pips or 150 pips. No, if you can get around 40 to 40 50 pips also around these areas, it's a blessing. Okay, and in case of a sudden drop in the market, you can expect some support around 2608. Okay, I'm not expecting any big moves as of now. In case a big moves come, then please stay away, because you may think that there is a sudden breakdown in the market. After taking a sell position, you may get trapped. Okay, this is the main reason why the big traders do not trade around this area, or the professional traders try to avoid it, because the breakout and breakdown trades can be dangerous. Because of low volume, you will feel that it's a breakout, you will take the buy, you will be trapped. If you take the sell, considering it's a breakdown, you'll be trapped. Okay, so if market takes support around these two areas, we can look for a buy position. That's it. Okay, and In case market goes up, remember 2650, 2655. Yeah, 2650, 2655. The best level to take a sell. Yeah, this level is still valid. We have discussed about this level plenty of times. Okay, because of FIBO 50% retracement level and also some resistance around this area. 2650 also a round number, so we can expect some selling around this area. In case market goes up, we can expect a sell, but the problem is the chances of market going to 265055 area is very less. So before 265055 area, we also have some resistance around 2638, 2635. 263835 is not a major level, but in this situation you can expect 30 to 40 pips selling opportunity around this area. 5055 is the best level, but can't help, it's far away. Okay, you can also see that I have drawn few lines here around 2630, 2627. It's up to you. Okay, if you want to go for a buy above 2627, or sorry, 2628 tomorrow for 30 pips, you can go for it. Personally, I will not suggest to anyone. If you want to go for a sale around this area, it's your personal choice. I will not recommend, because personally, okay, I do not like to recommend levels that I do not I won't read. But still, in this condition, still if markets show support around these two areas, we can look for some buy, and if market takes sell around or shows price ejection from above, we can look for sell around these two areas. That's it. So sadly, okay, right now we do not have much trading opportunities because of low volume in the market. If things changes, okay, then obviously I will update you, but as of now, okay, we need to respect the ongoing market condition. If there are limited opportunities, we need to accept the fact. We cannot gamble with our hard-earned money. We need to keep the capital safe, because when the market will be normal again, we need our capital to trade, isn't it? So do not lose your capital before the market gets into normal. So in this situation, the two logical levels are 2650 for a sell and 2580 for a buy. But still, we are discussing about other levels like 2638, okay, or 2620 for buy, 2613 for buy, because market is trading in a very narrow range. Okay, so be careful. Let's wait and watch how does the market open. Okay, we can expect the market to remain choppy like this. During the US session, we have some news. So during the US session, if market shows some disco moves, okay, then stay aside. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.